Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Well, I'm back at Luke Damant's favourite cheese paratha restaurant. He really made this place famous, but today we're going to go and explore a bit of Islamabad. I just felt like a paratha before I left, and this time I got a cheese paratha and a Nutella paratha. These are really good, guys. The bread's amazing, really crispy. The cheese, if it was my choice, I'd have a bit more flavour in the cheese, but this is like Pakistani cheese, so it can't be helped. And the Nutella, well, this should be dessert, but I'll try it. Oh man, that paratha is so crispy, unbelievable. Quetta Chai, guys, made famous by Luke Damant. And the first stop for the day is the Damant. Now this is a big lookout above Islamabad. I could see it from my hotel, well, not quite from my hotel, but from the streets just near the hotel. Oh, Google Maps told me I could drive this bit, but Google Maps misled me. But I'm definitely going to walk up there. Monkeys everywhere. I got no food or anything, but these are the mean monkeys I see all over the world. Wow, they're everywhere. The monkeys are a bit aggressive here. They just came flying out of the trees to greet me. They didn't look very happy, so I'm just going to go this way. I don't want to get attacked by a monkey. Took my breath away a bit, but it was definitely worth the walk, guys. Wait till I get here and turn around. Sadly, it's covered in pollution, but look at this. Oh, unbelievable, really. Islamabad, Pakistan. Guys, I still have to pinch myself that I'm in Pakistan. I've been dreaming of coming here for so long, and it hasn't let me down. Everything that I was led to believe about this country, the friendliness, the hospitality, it wasn't exaggerated, guys. And our next stop for the day is the Faisal Masjid, or the Faisal Mosque. And there she is there, and you might recognise it from my Pakistani tattoo in the last video. Oh guys, now this was a bit of a walk. Well, not really. For people like Nadia and Irfan from Field of Visions, this would be nothing. But for me, oh, and they've got a little mat down here so you know what you're looking at. Guys, very aggressive monkeys. That family behind me here, oh, you can't see them now, you would have seen them in the last shot. They just got attacked by one that looked like it's had its hand smashed. So I'm gonna follow the road back to the car park rather than doing those tracks again, because they were everywhere. Now, I followed a path that went up in the hills that way somewhere, and now I don't know.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Where are you from?
Australia.
Oh, nice.
Yes. Hang on. My friend here, YouTube channel here. Subscribe, and you will be on my YouTube in about 2 weeks.
Good.
Yes. Salam alaikum, my friend.
Walaikum assalam.
Thank you. Yes, as I was saying, now I'm not 100% sure where the car park is, but I'll find it. All roads lead to somewhere. And what's your name, my friend?
What?
Your name?
Name Omer.
Omer?
Yes.
I'm Paul. Hello,
Paul.
Omer.
Nice.
And this is it, guys, the Faisal Mosque, or the Faisal Masjid. Look, just over there, I don't know if you can see them all, but Libby's attracted a bit of a crowd as usual. Yes, she's bleeding a bit of coolant, but not too much. And okay, so the mosque was opened in 1986. It's the biggest mosque in Asia and the 5th biggest mosque in the world. And it was named after late King Faisal. Now, that's enough for information. Let's go in and have a look. Beautiful, guys. And like I said at the lookout, this was the inspiration for my Pakistani tattoo. And this is it, guys. Sorry, I'm going to be a bit quiet out of respect. This is just incredible. The main part's at the other side. Let's go and have a look. And I'm kind of glad there's no water in the fountains, because I would have been very tempted to wet myself. And guys, here's another example of Pakistani friendliness. Everyone's calling out hello from the other side. I love Pakistan, guys, really.
Thank you.
And it is people's place of worship, so I'm not going to actually go into the mosque. But I will have a good look around. This is amazing, really. Biggest mosque in Asia, 5th biggest in the world. It's incredible, guys, really. I'm curious to see what's down here, but let's go and have a look. Has to be a bit cooler than out here. It's a hot day. Hot day. Another fountain, but no water again. I really would have wet myself. Hello, my friends. Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. Very
Where
good.
are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yes.
Good.
What a beautiful building this is. You should be very proud.
Thank you so much.
And guys, I should have realised, now I look around, everyone's in bare feet, but don't wear your shoes when you're here. I just got warned, well, nicely told, taking my boots off. Just sitting here, guys, it's so peaceful, just relaxing, and then I'll head off to the next spot. Look at this, guys. Well, I just had two guys dressed in what I'd describe as Afghani farmers sort of clothing, but they were quite angry that I was here. But then I had about 30 other people all crowded around me saying, "You're welcome, my friend, you're welcome." So I just spent the last hour talking to all these people. Pakistan, guys, well, it doesn't surprise me anymore. And it really didn't surprise me at all, because of all the videos that I've watched, everyone says this, that they're just such friendly, welcoming people. I love it here, guys. And look at this building. How could anyone be angry that anyone's here? And guys, this is the Lahore Heritage Museum. I was really looking forward to seeing this one, getting a bit of history of Pakistan, but it's shut. And I'm not sure if it's even a museum anymore. It doesn't look like it's ever open, but you'll have to check on Mr. Google before you come here for yourselves. And this one, guys, just near the Heritage Museum is the Natural History Museum. This one is open, but I'm not going to go in. It's just dinosaur bones and animal bones and things. It doesn't really interest me, but there's a few other things to see. And in between the two, there's a sign saying this is the site for the archaeological museum. So soon there'll be an archaeological museum just behind me up here. So yeah, this is the place to come if you want to learn things, I guess. And this is the Pakistan Monument. Really quite impressive. This was built in 2006, and it was open to the public many years later, I believe. And everything I'm showing you today is quite young, but that's because, and guys, please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but from all my research, Islamabad was only really established in 1960 after independence. I think before that Lahore was the main city, but again, guys, I apologise if I'm wrong. I'm only going by what Mr. Google's told me. Look at this, just amazing. Oh, it's hot though, guys, I can tell you. Well, not so hot, but humid. Just had a drink of water. Drank about half a litre and sweated about 3/4 of a litre, I think. Amazing. There's a little museum over there. Looks like it's shut though. There was a few people tried the door and couldn't get in. Oh no, it is open. Let's go in, find a bit of history of Pakistan. Oh, gosh, even if it's just to get in the air conditioning for a bit. And basically it's telling you the story of the failed revolution against the British in 1957. Here they're telling us about the Lahore Resolution, which is now known as the Pakistan Revolution. I told you that in Lahore when we visited the tower. Yeah, so here's Gandhi. He was Hindu, but he gave up a lot for the Hindus and the Muslims. He was very upset at partition. He wanted India to be one India, but so the Muslim League of British India, I think that's what it's called. They achieved partition in 1947, I think. Let me just check this. Yep, 1947. And it was one of the biggest upheavals in history. Millions and millions of people. Hindus and Sikhs moved from Pakistan to India. Muslims moved from India to Pakistan. Millions and millions displaced. Well, that was worth a visit. $5 entry for foreigners. Only $1 for 50 cents, sorry. Oh, hang on, what did I pay? Yeah, about $3 entry for foreigners and about 50 cents for Pakistani locals. Hello!
Monument.
And this is the Fatima Jinnah Park. Oh, excuse me guys, it's so hot. This must be about 50 acres at least. As far as, well, you can see the edge of it this way where those buildings are. As far as you can see that way is still park. Same this way. It must be 50 or 100 acres in the middle of Islamabad. Beautiful. And my plan was, because there's tracks all through here, you could spend days walking around here. But it's just too hot, guys. Unbelievably hot. So what I'm going to do is head back to my hotel. Wait till it cools off a bit this afternoon. Well, I waited till 5 o'clock to have lunch, or dinner, because this restaurant had such good reviews, and when I got there they were shut anyway. So I've come to the second best, which was open at 3 o'clock, so I could have eaten 2 hours ago, but that's all right. I'm very, very hungry. This is the barbecue bazaar. It gets pretty good ratings. Let's see. But the one before, the restaurant that was shut, that had about 45 ratings, all 5 stars. And this is the magic happening. My dinner being cooked. Oh wow! So this is all mine for me.
Yes,
oh, I'm very, very hungry, my friends. I'm excited.
Serve with lamb.
Lamb, yes.
Beef.
Beef.
And chicken service.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I don't know why I always get really uncomfortable in restaurants. Janet hates it because as soon as we finish the food, I want to go. So I convinced this place, this part of the restaurant, that's the restaurant upstairs, but this part, they only open at night time, but I convinced them to open it early for me so I could sit out here. Oh, so much food. Look at this, all lamb chops, chicken, beef, paratha. They make the best paratha here in Islamabad. Oh, I'm hungry. That'll do for now, my friend. Thank you. Oh, that was so much meat. I'm slowly working my way through it. Right, guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.